With global warming being one of the greatest concerns today, recycling waste is not just an environmental necessity, but also a highly profitable venture. Today, we'll explore the top 10 most profitable recycling business ideas. Whether you're looking to start a new business or expand your current one, these ideas will not only help you protect your planet but also generate sustainable profits. Before diving into any recycling business, here are a few things to keep in mind. Choose your waste. Decide what kind of waste you want to recycle. Plastic, household, construction, electronic, textile and whatnot, etc. Learn the process. Understand the ins and outs of recycling your chosen material and get the right machinery. By doing this, you're not just protecting the environment but also setting yourself up to a profitable business. At the 10th place, we have PVC recycling, that is polyvinyl chloride pipes recycling. PVC waste is recycled to create new PVC items like pipes, shades, tanks and other PVC goods. This involves pyrolysis, hydrolysis and heating to break down PVC waste. The process significantly reduces plastic waste and allows the creation of reusable PVC products, contributing to less environmental pollution and new product availability. 9. We have construction waste recycling. Solid scraps from the construction sites are recycled to product bricks, interlock tiles, partition boards and false ceiling materials. The solid scraps are treated and compressed into new shapes and forms. This method converts non-biodegradable waste into useful building materials, eliminating the pressure on landfills and providing affordable construction materials. 8. We have utensils recycling. Old utensils made of steel, copper or iron are recycled to create new kitchenware. Old utensils are melted down and reshaped into new utensils. The process reduces metal waste and supplies new kitchenware, making the most of old materials and reducing the new for raw materials. 7. We have glass recycling. Old glass items are recycled to produce new drinking glasses, model sculptures and glass fiber. So here, the glass is broken into smaller pieces, crushed, sorted, cleaned and melted and then molded into new items. This reduces the amount of glass waste in landfills and produces a variety of new glass products, promoting sustainability. At the 6th place, we have mattresses recycling. Old mattresses are recycled to recover metal, fabric and plastic components for reuse. Materials from old mattresses are separated and recycled. This process minimizes landfill waste and repurposes mattress materials, turning them into new usable components. In the 5th place, we have textile recycling. Old textiles and clothing are recycled to produce new clothes and reinforced furniture materials. Textiles are sorted and processed based on type and color. And now, this reduces textile waste and provides raw material for new products, supporting the sustainable fashion and home furnishing. At the 4th place, we have electronic waste recycling. Electronic waste is recycled to extract valuable materials like cadmium, phosphorus, lead and other metals. Electronic waste components are safely handled and recycled. This process extracts precious metals and reduces toxic waste, preventing environment contamination and reclaiming valuable materials. At 3rd, we have banana fiber recycling. Banana stems are recycled to create high-quality fabrics and textiles. Fibers are extracted from banana stems and processed. This creates eco-friendly textiles and reduces agricultural waste, promoting sustainable agriculture and fashion. At the 2nd place, we have plastic chips packets recycling. Plastic chips packets are recycled to produce trendy sunglasses. This reduces plastic waste and creates fashionable accessories, turning trash into treasure. And finally, at the 1st place, we have aluminium recycling. Aluminium products are collected, melted down and reshaped like how it is recycled. This significantly reduces the need for raw aluminium, is highly profitable, which is really important if you want to start a business out of aluminium recycling for a sustainable economy. The recycling market in India is expected to reach $50 billion by 2025. So starting a recycling business not only benefits the environment but also has high potential for high profits. From PVC to aluminium, each type of recycling comes with its own set of processes and products that can be highly lucrative. So, if you are looking to make a positive impact on the planet while building a profitable business, these ideas are a great place to start. So there we come to an end. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share or subscribe. That's a really big encouragement from you guys. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comment section below and I'll be the happiest to help you on in your recycling business. For more such information, do download our Freedom app. So see you soon in another interesting episode. Until then, please do take care. Have a nice day. It's Meghla Kannan signing off.